Hey my friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. And guys, in this MSQ series, we are going with another subject today. We have already completed SOM, we have already completed soil, environment and many other subjects. FM has been done yesterday. So guys, today in this session, I will be dealing with some beautiful numericals of surveying. Please keep your copy and pen with you so that you can take maximum benefit out of this. Okay, it should not be like that you are lying on the bed and seeing the table mobile like this, and after some time some other song is coming, Sheila Ki Jawani, and you switch to that notification. If you literally want to get benefit from these YouTube sessions that we are making for you, guys, please take a ref copy and pen along with you. This is about me, but about me will not be coming in GATE exam, so let's move forward. This is about the GATE workshop, 5 steps to triumph in GATE 2024. This will be taken by Richa ma'am, and it will be on 16th of August at 7:30 p.m. You can also join me in my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. Let me share the session also, guys. You also share. Okay. Okay. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Share the session. Everyone. Okay, let me share it here. You can also share it. Okay, Civil by Abhinav sir. Guys, please share the session so that all can have benefit from this session. Okay. Let me fix the camera. I guess now it is fine. Please check. Please check. My son has disturbed it. Please check, is it fine now? Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so copy pen निकाल लिया भाई लोग? You are out with copy and pen. Okay, so guys, this is the qualified series. Okay, this qualified series will be on every weekend. Okay, हर weekend पर ये होगी, और in every weekend it will be maths plus aptitude, where Richa ma'am and Dheeraj sir will be taking the complete aptitude and mathematics syllabus. It has started from this weekend. Guys, do join these sessions on weekend for the beautiful series. And one more thing, Sunday ka funda is going on. Okay, and Super Saturday is also going on. Now this is the schedule of MSQ series. Let me again tell you that strength of metal is done, then environment is done, soil mechanics is done, hydrology and irrigation is done, FM is done. Now today will be serving, and then after that RCC, mechanics and OCF is about to come. So you have a bunch of questions here of MSQ, because what is the problem with MSQ? That yes, there is no different way of solving MSQ. Okay, कोई ऐसे आकाशवाणी से आपको कुछ वो नहीं लाना है कि अलग से तंत्र मंत्र की विद्या नहीं आनी चाहिए. Okay, so let me just, okay, so this is just simple concepts will be done here. Okay, like other questions that are the same concepts will be here that are required to solve MCQ and NAT. No other thing is required. Only problem with MSQ is that you have a large amount of questions available in the market or available in the textbooks or in the workbooks or in the previous year question of MCQ and NAT. But since MSQ has been introduced by IIT Bombay in 2021, so lot of MSQ questions are not there. So in that way, this series will be more benefit to you. Okay, this is the first question, guys. Do it fast. Everyone. Quick. And let me know the answers on the comment box. Let me know the answers on the comment section, guys. Come on. यार कॉन्सेप्ट तो चंदन सेम ही होंगे ना, बट हाँ AJ में MSQ क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते. Okay, so which of the following statements are correct? Let us check this. Surveying is the art of determining relative positions of various points. Yes. Okay, surveying का definition ही है कि अलग अलग पॉइंट्स के बीच में रिलेटिव पोजीशन क्या है. व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम, व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन देम, व्हाट इज द हाइट डिफरेंस इन हाइट बिटवीन देम, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन एल्टीट्यूड बिटवीन देम. Okay, so to know about the various points. Second thing is surveying is the first step of the, yes, before building the foundation, before constructing the substructure, before constructing the dam, before constructing the spillway. Of course, the survey of that area has to be done for knowing the topography and all other things. Then after that, the object of surveying is the preparation of map of the area. Yes, after doing the inspection, after taking the field readings, we draw the map of that area. In the absence of accurate map, it is difficult to layer. Yes, agar accurate map nahi hai, so it will be difficult. So of course A, B, C, D all will be correct. Yes, Jadip, my offline student from Indore. How are you, Jadip? Kaise ho? After long time, yaar. Very, very excited to see you. Okay. A, B, C, D all will be correct. Kaisa chal raha hai job? Concept of okay, 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 guys, keep sharing the session, keep sharing. Now second point, which of the following statement, all are MSQ, guys, keep in mind this, all are MSQ. Okay, so some of you are giving the answer by thinking MCQ. Okay, Jadip. Now, which of the following statements are true? Plumb line is the direction of gravity. Correct. Okay, plumb line is the vertical line. At any place, if you throw the plumb bob, then of course if no other force is there, no wind force is there, then only gravity is acting, so it will be towards the center of earth. That is also called vertical line, that is also called the plumb line. Mean sea level is used to level, how? Mean sea level itself is not horizontal. Mean sea level itself is not horizontal. So how it will be taken for referring or for plotting the horizontal points? Mean sea level is अर्थ के ऊपर है ना, पानी की लेयर अर्थ के ऊपर एक चद्दर है, तो that is curved. Okay, mean sea level is a geoid. Geoid is the shape of the earth. और पानी अर्थ के ऊपर है, पानी takes the shape of that thing ना. So whatever is the shape of the earth, water is above that. So same shape will be there. Geoid is the equipotential line of the gravity. Yes, all the points on the surface of the earth have equal amount of gravity. So here it will not be ABD. ABD de Villiers nahi yaar. Raghvendra, it is not ABD de Villiers. It is ACD. Okay. So we started with some theoretical questions. Now we are slowly moving to some typical numericals also. We are slowly moving to typical numericals also. Keep sharing, guys. Okay. Absolutely, guys. फटाफट से. Any doubt? Till here, please let me know. Any doubt? D is not true. Why? Diode is the equipotential surface of gravity. Why? क्यों भाई? Why D is not true? Why D is not true? It is true. All the points on the surface of the earth are considered to be same gravity, that is 9.81. Okay. Now question number 3 numerical. जल्दी से भाई. फटाफट. Everybody on the comment section. Which is okay. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही ठीक है. बाकी लोग क्वेश्चन करो, तब तक मैं साहब कौन से साहब हैं, अहमद साहब को बताता हूँ. बहुत ही बढ़िया. अहमद साहब बहुत बढ़िया है ना. My also one of the favorite subject is physics. I also know that when you draw a tunnel here and you left a person here, the movement of the person will be harmonic motion. I also know that the gravity is derived from the force between the two body. Mass M1 is the mass of the earth, M2 is the mass of that body. Suppose Abhinav Negi upon r square. This is the force between the two body. Now from where the acceleration comes? The acceleration comes from force divided by mass. So acceleration on me, that means divided by mass 2 is g, that is constant, gravitational constant. Mass of the earth is constant, r square is constant, this is constant, this is constant. From here 9.81 is derived. Okay, Ahmed Saab. Okay, Ahmed Saab. Now geoid is not, earth is not exactly sphere. Okay, because the polar axis is smaller, equatorial axis is 43.5 kilometer bigger. Okay, and there is, earth is neither sphere, neither ovalite, no perfect shape, no regular geometrical figure signifies the shape of the earth. Okay, that is why a new name has been given geoid. Okay, and geoid from center every place is not at equidistance. That is why you are saying that since r is not same, it will not be 9.81. but ये r आता कहाँ से? ये फॉर्मूला आता, ये फॉर्मूले में तो गड़बड़ है. In this formula also there is झोल ना. In this formula also there is some mistake. This formula is considered when r is same. Okay, because r at this point is also same, r at this point is also same, r at this point is also same. That is assumed to be sphere. Then this formula has been derived. The whole physics and the gravity is equal to 9.81 has been derived by assuming earth to be sphere. Okay, so the point you are saying it is an equipotential surface of gravity. In reality there is a little bit minute difference, but actually those all things are derived by assuming the earth to be sphere. Okay, so yes, there is little bit deviation, as because if you see here the gravity is 9.81, but if you go to some very high altitude place or you go to some space, okay, in Mount Everest the gravity will be, suppose this is the Everest, so here the gravity will be less. Okay, but yes, in this small negligible difference, it all these places are considered to be same. Give me yes or no please. Give me yes or no please. But yes, I like your concepts, I like your in-depth knowledge. Okay, okay, excellent guys, excellent. Please let me know this. How much you are getting? Okay, guys, at MSQ all questions are MSQ. All questions are MSQ, yaar. All questions are MSQ. Now a line originally 100 mm. 100 mm. Originally it was 100 mm. So now it is shrinked. It is 90 mm. So what is the shrinkage factor? Shrunk length upon original length. What is the shrinkage factor? Shrunk length. 90 by 100 will be 0.9. Okay, if the scale here is 1 by 1000. Now yaar, I told many times what is the scale here. I told you many types of things here. Okay, one simple thing, that what will be the scale here is, what is, if this is small AB is the length on the map. So what is capital AB is the length on the ground. So that will be 100 into 1000. That will be 100 into 1000. Okay, what is scale? Length on map, but the length on the map is 90 mm. On ground, अगर इंडिया का मैप छोटा लोगे, बहुत बड़ा लोगे, बहुत बड़ा लोगे, but the distance between Delhi and Mumbai will be same, na? If you take small map of India, big map of India, the distance between Delhi and Mumbai will be same. So original distance will be same. That is 100 into 1000. From here, what the value is coming? Please, can you please let me know? Can you please let me know? What is the value coming? Is it coming 1 by 111? And I also told one more trick. Okay, this I derived, or this I get the answer. One more trick, guys. If the scale here is 1 by 1000 of original map, 1 by 1000, दिख रहा है क्या नीचे? हाँ. Then the scale of the shrunk map is 1 by, numerator should be more or denominator should be more than 1000 or less than 1000. Denominator should be more than 1000 or less than 1000. Denominator should be more than 1000 or less than 1000. Please tell me. Please tell me. Denominator should be more than 1000 or less than 1000. Please let me know, friends. Guys, here if 1000 is equivalent to 1, here if 1000 is equivalent to 1, then my friends, if here 1000 is equivalent to 1, okay, 1000 is equivalent to 1, then here a very big number will be equivalent to 1, because it is even reduced the size of the map. If here 1000 is converted to 1, so here a bigger number is converted to 1, because this is very smaller map, small map of the same area. So here, if here it is reduced by 1000 times, so here it is reduced by much more times. So it should be 1000 into a bigger number. 1000 into bigger number, and bigger number is 90 by 100 or 100 by 90. So bigger number is 100 by 90. This also will be getting the same answer. Otherwise, I have derived this also. Give me yes or no, everybody. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no, friends. Everyone got it? Everyone got it? Okay. Question number 4. Let me know the answer, please. Let me know the answer, please. Here, everyone. Everyone. Okay, the question based on reciprocal leveling. The question based on reciprocal leveling. Please tell me the answer. Please tell me the answer. Everyone, please. Quickly on the comment section. Quickly on the comment section. Quickly on the comment section. Okay. So suppose I make the figure. This is the land here. This is the land here. And this is the water. This is the water. Now this is P, this is Q, and here is a staff. Let me take some different color. Here is a staff at P, and here is a staff at Q. Here is a staff at P, and there is a staff at Q. Now here, if instrument was very near to P, the reading here is 1.4 and the reading here is 3.5. The reading here is 3.5. When the instrument is near Q, okay, so reading here is 2.2 and reading here is 0.6. This is also called x1, this is y1. Okay, let me write it here. This is x1, this is y1, okay, this is x2, and this is y2. RLQ minus RLP is, you know the formula, x1 minus y1 plus x2 minus y2 and all that formula. From there you can get the answer. Okay, so RLQ, the formula of reciprocal leveling, I am not going into that. Okay, x1 minus y1 plus x2 minus y2 divided by 2. So you will be getting as 1.85. Okay, RLQ minus 1.85. Please check. Are you getting this? Are you getting this? So minus 1.85 means RL of P is bigger. So A option. Are you getting the same answer? Okay. Similarly, there is a formula of collimation error also. x2 minus y2 minus x1 minus y1 by 2 minus 0.0673 d square. Distance is not given, so we'll be neglecting that. Neglect, yes, this is neglected. 0.0673 d square is the result of curvature and refraction. So when you apply that, the collimation error in the instrument is coming to be 0.25 meter. You apply the formula, you will be getting in positive. So A and C. I'm not writing down the formula. Have you understood this? Keep sharing, guys. Why the students are less today? I don't know the reason. I don't know the reason. Why the students are less today? ओके इट्स ओके कितने भी हो अपन को पूरा पढ़ाना है. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 अगेन MSQ. Question number 5, again MSQ practice. Question number 5, again MSQ practice. Please do it. Please do it and let me know the answers. Let me know the answers. Come on, come on. चलो भाई, चलो 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 चलो. क्या है? In the distance between the instrument and this 1050, R is equal to which of the following? The magnitude of curvature correction. Correction due to curvature is minus 0.0785 d square. The answer comes in meter when we put this value d in kilometers. Okay, and only magnitude is asked, so minus का वैसे भी ज़्यादा मतलब नहीं रह जाएगा. D is how much? 1.050 square. Can you please let me know the answer here? Can you please let me know the answer here? Everyone, कितना आ रहा है? 0.086 आ रहा है क्या? 0.086 आ रहा है क्या? माइनस 0.086 आएगा, पर मैग्नीट्यूड पूछा है. MSQ है, MSQ. माइनस 0.086 will come, but it has only asked the magnitude. सिर्फ मैग्नीट्यूड पूछा है. चलो. चलो चलो चलो. आगे आओ. The magnitude of refraction. So refraction correction is either you can take 1/7 of curvature correction or you take a 0.0012. So 1/7 is this refraction correction in positive refraction CC. So what is this value coming? करके बताना यार. कितना आ रहा है? 0.012 आ रहा है क्या? प्लीज चेक. और कंबाइंड कितना आ रहा है? सी नेट. इसमें अब मैग्नीट्यूड देखना पड़ेगा. सी नेट में मैग्नीट्यूड देखना पड़ेगा. सो इट इज माइनस 0.086 एंड रिफ्रैक्शन करेक्शन इज पॉजिटिव. सो प्लस 0.012. इसकी वैल्यू नेट कितनी आ रही है? व्हाट इज द नेट वैल्यू इन दिस? माइनस 0.074 आ रहा है क्या? माइनस 0.074 मीटर आ रहा है क्या? ए बी डिविलर्स. अब बन गया. अब बन गया ABD. अब ABD वी गॉट इट. प्लीज कंफर्म. प्लीज कंफर्म. प्लीज कंफर्म दिस वन नाउ. चलो चलो चलो. The sensitivity is increased. MSQ भाई ध्यान रखना. इसका मैं this I want to know that how many students find it correct. This I want to know. This I want to know that how many students got this correct. This I want to know that how many students got this correct. Now see, sensitivity is D by R. If you want in seconds, 206265. What normal people think, the radius is increased, so phi will be decreasing. Okay, that is aam zindagi. But what is Mentos zindagi? Guys, okay, if radius is increasing, phi will be decreasing, but lesser phi represents more sensitive. Lesser phi represents more sensitive. Okay, the radius of the curvature of the internal surface of the tube increases. The lesser phi represents more sensitive. Okay, lesser phi represents more sensitive. Okay, now let me tell you guys, if it is sensitivity of this is 2 seconds and sensitivity of this is 4 seconds, that means here if we are deviating this by 2 seconds, then bubble is moving by 1 division. And here if sensitivity is 4 seconds, means if we are moving it by 4 seconds, then after 4 seconds the bubble is moving by 1 division. So of course this is more sensitive. With just 2 second division, the bubble is moving, so that is more sensitive. So lesser phi magnitude is more sensitive. If dia is increased, suppose we take a very small dia. Okay, so here guys, bubble will be occupying a decent length. So how we will be able to find that this gas pocket is center or right or left? But yes, if we take a bigger diameter, okay, then we can find out the movement of this. So it is more sensitive. Length of the tube is increased. Guys, say same thing. In small length, how we can find the movement of bubble? But in larger length, we can find A, B, C. Viscosity is increased, so it will not be moving much. Khaskhas aa jayega. Roughness will be there. Okay. So now let's move to question number 7 of tacheometry. Again a MSQ. Guys. Come on. Everyone guys, come on, do it. Kill this question. कौन सा क्वेश्चन है? फोकल लेंथ ऑफ टेक्योमीटर. चलो बता दो भाई लोग, फोड़ दो इसको, फोड़ दो. सबसे पहले व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? मल्टीप्लिकेटिव कांस्टेंट k. सो k इज f by i. So what is f? 200 mm. Okay, and what is I? The distance, the optical center of the 100 mm, and spacing between the upper and lower is 4 mm. That is 4 mm. So k is 50. K has no units. Okay, additive constant C. D is equal to Ks plus C. K is multiplicative constant, C is additive constant. So additive constant is F plus D. Okay, so what is F? 50 mm. Okay, F is 50. Sorry, F is 20. F is 200 mm. 200 means 20 centimeter, 0.2 meter. And what is D? D you know na? D is from center of tacheometer to distances. That is D. So what is D? And the optical center objective is 100 mm. The distance between the vertical axis of tacheometer and the optical center objective is 100 mm. So 0.2 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.3 meter. Okay. Now the horizontal distance. Here we can apply the formula D is equal to Ks plus C. because the line of sight is also horizontal and staff is also vertical. Is it written somewhere? Perfectly horizontal and staff intercepts are 1, 2. So Ks plus C. What is K? 50. What is S? What is S? 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter. So S will be 2 meter. So it is cutting now. Lines are cutting here at 1, 2, 3. So S will be equal to 2. Ks plus C is equal to 0.3. So 100.3, that is option number D. A, B, de Villiers. A, B, de Villiers. Are you also getting the same? Please let me know. Please let me know, friends. Getting the same value? Getting the same value? Everyone, please. Okay. Yeah, this one now. This one now. इसका कितना आ रहा है? जल्दी बताओ. बता दो. अब तो मैच में भी बारिश आ गई है भाई. अब तो मैच में भी बारिश आ गई है. कौन सा क्वेश्चन है? हाँ. A 3,000 meter long line on an elevation of 450 meter measures 10 centimeter on a vertical photograph. चलो एल्टीट्यूड बता दो. सबसे पहले तो स्केल इज इक्वल टू एफ अपॉन कैपिटल एच माइनस स्मॉल एच. स्केल इज इक्वल टू एफ अपॉन कैपिटल एच माइनस स्मॉल एच. नाउ what is the measures 10 centimeter? So 10 centimeter means 0.1 meter and original length is 3000. So this is the scale. Map distance by ground distance is equal to F. F का focal length of the camera is 21 centimeter. So 0.21 capital H minus small h and elevation of 450. So from here tell me the value of capital H. From here tell me the value of capital H, please. From here tell me the value of capital H. कितना आ रहा है जल्दी बताओ. 6750 आ रहा है. तो ये गलत हो जाएगा. Please check. Scale of the photograph, the area having elevation of this. So now F is this and capital H is 6750 and small h now it is saying how much? 1000. So how much is this? Please check everyone. 1 by 273.81 आ रहा होगा. 1 by 273.81 आ रहा होगा. B option. It might be coming B option. Please do check. Please do check. Everyone. Getting this? Getting this? Okay. Now 9th question. MSQ. All these questions are MSQ. Now the question based on again a photogrammetry. The question is again on photogrammetry. चलो बताओ. बताओ. A tall tower was photographed from an elevation of 700 meter above the datum. The radial distance of the top and bottom of the tower from the principal points are 112 and this. So what is the leaf displacement? if this is the photo, then the distance of these points from the principal point is 112 and 82.4. So this is 82.4 from here to here, 82.4, and this is 112. So what is D? D is 112.5 minus 82.40. So what is the value of D? What is the value of D? Please check 30.10. 30.10 mm. Correct? Correct or not? Okay. So leaf displacement is this. A option तो correct हो गया. A option तो यही correct हो गया. तो ये height of the tower पूछा है. So D is equal to R into H by capital H. D is known. What is capital H? Tell बताओ. बता दो भाई. What is capital H? What is R? R is the distance of top point of the photograph. That is top point of the photograph आपके पास होगा 82.4. R की वैल्यू आ गई 82.4. R की वैल्यू अच्छा टॉप तो ये है, टॉप भैया ये है, तो R is this. R भी पता चल गया. D is known. नाउ पूछा क्या है, द हाइट ऑफ द टावर पूछा. एस कैपिटल एच दे रखा है. कैपिटल एच कितना है? इफ द बॉटम ऑफ द टावर इज एलिवेशन दिस. सो भाई ये डेटम है, ठीक है. यहाँ से डिस्टेंस दे रखी है आपको 700 मीटर. ओके, अ टावर ऑफ फोटोग्राफ फ्रॉम एन एलिवेशन ऑफ 700 मीटर अबव द डेटम. ओके, द बॉटम ऑफ द टावर और इट दिस इज 250. सो कैपिटल एच इसमें होता है हाइट अबव द. Capital H is the height above the base of the tower. That is 700 minus 250. That is 450. That is 450. Now out of the 4 variables, 3 are known. Out of the variables, 3 are known. So what is H? 120.4. A and B. A, B, D. D plus बच गया भाई. D नहीं है इसमें. Have you got it? Have you got it, guys? Okay. Okay. So remaining questions are for the homework. 1 and 2. So now guys, this is the ISRO going on, Super Sunday going on. Qualify series for maths and aptitudes is going on this channel. From every weekend, this will be there with aptitude by Richa ma'am and maths by Dheeraj sir. And this is the schedule for my app classes. We have done this. Okay. Now Independence Day special on 15th. Then 19th will be my journey from back or year back to 164 and expected topics of MSQ. And guys, civil engineering syllabus, the difference and similarity between ESC, engineering services, civil engineering, and civil services, civil engineering, that I'll be doing soon in this channel. And this we are coming 10 PM tonight. Okay, so 10 PM tonight, me and Dheeraj sir are coming about data science and artificial intelligence. Thank you guys, take care. Thank you all, take care. Thank you guys.
जिस व्यक्ति को कॉल